Hello everyone, my name is Gayatri Sanjay Karnar and date is 13 January 22. On today's topic is recursion. So what is an recursion? In Java programming language, recursion is a process or we can say mechanism where the method can call itself continuously. That concept is known as a recursion in Java. Uh, uh, the method that call itself continuously is known as recursive method. Using recursion, we can solve the problem. Easily. Uh, that are the that problems are traversal in order graph or pre-order graph problems. In simple word, we can say that uh, recursion is solve problem by it smaller versions, and we can solve the problem. That means this idea is widely used in program. Uh, Widely used in programming to solve the complex problem by breaking them into simpler or smaller ones. Syntax of recursion is return type, method name, uh, brackets, then curly bracket open, code to be executed, method name, calling same method, and then curly bracket close. Then advantages of recursions are the code of recursion is easy to write. We can solve a recursive problem very easily. We can solve a recursion problem very easily, reducing unnecessary calling function, reduce the length of code as well. Effective when solving the data structure problems. There are some advantages. Disadvantages: it is slower than non-recursive. It require more memory space to hold the result into stack memory. It is sometimes hard to analyze. Complex Also complex, run out of memory if recursion cannot call properly. And also it can be difficult to trace the problems. Types of recursion are direct and indirect recursion. There are two types of recursion, depend upon the function calling and function within itself, or that function call one another. And the types of recursion are direct recursion and indirect recursion. The first one is the direct recursion. The function is called direct recursion when the function directly calls the same function. There are four types of direct recursion. They are tall recursion, head recursion, and tree and nested recursions. First one is a uh, first one is a tail recursion. So what is a tail recursion? If a recursive function calling itself, and the recursive call is the last statement in the function, then it will be the tall recursion. Next one is a head recursion. Head recursion, function calling itself, and recursive call will be the first statement, then function is called as a head recursion. Next is a tree recursion. In the tree recursion, function call itself, if again and function call itself again and again. But if we need to know that tree recursion, if we know that tree recursion, then first we will know about the linear recursion. For the what is a linear recursion? When function call itself for one time, then that is a linear recursion. And next is a tree recursion. When recursion function call itself the more than one time, then that will be the linear tree recursion. Next one is a nested recursion. Nested recursion is a recursion means recursion inside the another recursion. This process simply pass the recursive function. Next is the indirect recursion. In the indirect recursion there may be the more than functions, and this function can call another function that in circular manner, that called as an indirect recursion. So that's all about today's topic, recursion in Java. Thank you.